Introduction. Hello, my name is Steve MacLellan, and I'm a recovering engineer. Do you know many engineers? How would you describe one? When I ask this question to fellow engineers, I get a response similar to solver of world problems. Yes, that is an actual response from an actual engineer. The response I get from non engineers is quite different. Most will start by saying analytical, smart, intelligent, and then they usually end with know it all, socially awkward, and nerdy. Never, ever will you hear an engineer being described as funny or entertaining, unless you're describing the engineer's comical hero, Rowan Atkinson's, aka Mr. Bean. With that said, I am a recovering engineer. I did my best to keep this book and this course enjoyable and entertaining while staying on point. No noise, no fluff, unnecessary jargon, complicated processes, or big words. In fact, I can't even say big words. I have a minor speech impediment, which at my youth and beginning of my careers, I thought that was a weakness. I see it as a strength now. Um, but while you're listening to me, you're going to say, what did that guy just say? Because I can't pronounce everything. All right. But this keeps things simple. I, when I communicate, I keep things simple because I can't say the big words. There's going to be misspellings when you're reading this book. My grammar won't be the best, but the advice in this book and online course is. Unfortunately, the advice that we're about to share is not commonly shared by the financial industry, and I'll explain why in section 2. My promise to you is that this will be full of useful information that you can actually use and that you will want to share with your family and your loved ones. Who is this for and who is this not for? The fact that you are here says a lot about you already. You're someone that's doing pretty good and wants to do even better. Does that describe you? From my experience, there are generally 4 types of people. The first are the unengaged, the ones that have their hands out and fingers pointing at everyone and anything for their current status. There's not going to be anybody watching or listening or reading in this quadrant, so we're not going to spend much time here. But full disclosure, I probably spent my first 5 to 10 years of my engineering career in this quadrant. The second quadrant is where the overmotivated underachiever realms. There may be a small number in this quadrant. Those that learn a lot about everything but do nothing. This should be a wake-up call for you. Or maybe you're just starting your journey, you're starting your business or starting as a consultant and trying to learn as much as you can. You want to get out of this phase as soon as possible. For those of you who have been here and already, you'd agree with me, you do not want to spend much time in this second quadrant at all. The third quadrant is where I spent most of my time trying to be successful while moving up the corporate ladder. I'm guessing most of you will be in this quadrant, getting it done by sheer force and hard work, the realm of the overwhelmed overachiever. You put max effort and max time, putting your head down, getting things done. Does that sound familiar to you? Do you feel like that? Do you already work hard trying to get everything done from business owner to boss to super parent or even super grandparent, carrying the weight of your family, even your company on your shoulders? Hey, I feel you. The fourth quadrant is where we want to help you get to, where most want to be the realm of the super achievers, aka healthy, wealthy, and wise millionaire for life. You can do this with a lot less effort and less stress than what you are doing right now. There are tools, resources, systems in place that will help you become less overwhelmed, less stressed, and more successful. A place where you can keep more of your income, where you have more freedom, and where you can create more impact. The goal of this book, the goal of this course, the goal I have with my clients is to help you reach and maintain that status of the healthy, wealthy, and wise millionaire for life. What will this book do? If nothing else, you will learn the secrets to take back control of your money, where you can create and keep your wealth. This book will help you avoid the risk of ruin, to prepare for the financial awakening. The COVID pandemic is over, but the world's financial markets are fighting an upward battle. Countries all over the world are even more over-leveraged than ever before. Companies are over-leveraged. People are over-leveraged. After years of collapses in several markets, only to be fixed with short-term Band-Aid fixes, the Keynesian economic cycle is ending. AI is about to revolutionize the world. A new economy is about to emerge. What worked in the past will not work in the future. This will be extremely stressful for most, but not for you. Grow, Control, and Keep Your Money will share the secrets on becoming and staying financially independent, even in today's and tomorrow's economy, to be that healthy, wealthy, and wise millionaire for life. When you have finished reading this book, completed the exercises and the course, all the dust is settled and the smoke is cleared, you will know how to take control of your money and make better educated decisions. These decisions will lead to better results, leading to the confidence and peace of mind that comes when you know you're on the right path towards financial independence. Knowing this, you will be able to focus on what is important to you and double down on your strengths. This will allow you to create more impact and make the world a better place. Pretty powerful stuff, right?